Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with another Middle Eastern side dish, which is beetroot متبل. I hope you really enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. First, we need 1 can of beetroot. You can use 4 fresh cooked beetroots, and this is 80 ml of yogurt, and this is 60 ml of tahini, and 1 clove of crushed garlic, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And you'll need a grater, and I'm gonna use this side. And now just shred the beetroot. It's actually annoying to shred sliced beetroot, so if you are comfortable using a fork, just use it. Now just leave this aside because we're gonna make the sauce. Add the tahini onto the yogurt. And the other ingredients, the lemon juice and the garlic. And just mix this until you get a homogeneous mixture. Add salt to your taste. Now grab the shredded beetroot and add the sauce that we made earlier. And mix it pretty well. And this is what you're gonna get at the end. Transfer the mixture into a serving plate. Just give it a little bit of shape. Add a drizzle of olive oil, and there you go. This is the final result. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you very soon. Bye.